Why you can't become a fluent English speaker if you don't know how to do storytelling. Hello friends, welcome to day 1 of 7 days storytelling challenge series. This series is for those who don't know how to frame longer sentences while speaking in English. This series is for those whose mind goes blank while speaking in English. I can relate to all of your problems because once I was a language learner too, and storytelling helped me a lot. In today's video, I am going to talk a little bit about the importance of storytelling. When you do a storytelling, you not only get a chance to improve your vocabulary and how to frame longer sentences in English, but also you learn how to sound natural, how to improve your accent, how to improve your pronunciation, how to improve your tone. So numerous things you can learn through storytelling. Because when I was trying to learn new words and when it came to speaking in English, I was unable to frame in sentences whatever I have learned new words. So friends, in today's video, I will just tell you one mini story. Up to next 7 days, we will just do a mini story up to 2 to 3 minutes, okay? And after that, I will tell you the methods how you can do a storytelling, okay? I will also give you my contact number. So through my contact number, you can WhatsApp me, you can record your voice, and you can send me on my WhatsApp your voice recording. Let me talk a little bit about the story. So a story, today's story is about a dangerous lion and a clever rabbit. So once upon a time, there was a so beautiful jungle, and in that jungle, like my jungle, okay? So in that jungle, a lot of animals, they used to live so happily, like elephants, deer, rabbit, and a lot of animals, okay? But one day what happened, a very giant lion, it came to the jungle and started roaring so loudly. All the animals in the jungle, they got scared and thought like, oh my god, who has come, let me check it out. And they all went and saw like, oh my god, this is a very giant lion. And they got completely scared of that lion because that lion was so bad. It started hunting randomly from here and there. But all the animals, they decided like, lion, please leave us. Then lion said, okay, I will leave you all, but let me make a decision first. Then the lion said, if you will provide me only one animal every day as my meal, okay, as my lunch, then I will never hunt randomly. I will leave everyone. So you should all plan, and accordingly you all can send me one animal every day. Then everybody, they agreed, all the animals in the jungle, and said, okay, we will follow this rule. Every day they started sending one animal, and the lion, he was sitting, means he used to sit so calmly on any rock or any cave. And then after that, he used to have every day one animal. What happened one day, it was rabbit's turn, and rabbit was so clever, so he intentionally went late, okay? Then a lion, he got so furious, you don't know my rules. Then rabbit says, sorry. Then lion said, I was so hungry, I was waiting for you, and I will kill you so badly. But the rabbit say, my lord, I become so late because there was another lion. He was very giant and said, I am the king of this jungle, and he stopped me there. He wanted to eat me. Then after that he said, okay, let me take to that lion. The rabbit, he said, okay, come with me. The lion, he started going with the rabbit, and there was a so beautiful well, and he said, the lion is hiding over there in the well, okay? Then the lion, he got so furious, he went there and started looking into the water, and when his own image like reflected, then lion, he got so furious and roared so badly, but the reflection, it replied in the same way. The lion got so angry and he jumped into that well because of his angriness. And finally he got stuck there, and he completely drowned and dead, okay? Then after that, all the animals, they came and appreciated a lot to that rabbit and say, rabbit, you are so clever. We want to give you a lot of rewards, and thank you so much. You saved our life. And this is the power of cleverness. This is the power of your mindset, okay, rather having randomly a lot of strength. So moral of the story is that you should focus on the cleverness, you should focus on the ideas rather strength too much. Okay, so I want to tell you friends how you can do a storytelling. Today I spoke this story randomly from here and there, so sorry for that, because one of my nephew, he is standing here, okay, and got completely angry on me because I said him I will take you jungle and we will have blackberries, but he is telling me why you are recording video, otherwise I will never come again with you. Then I said okay, no problem at all. So I want to tell you what you can do. Every day you can choose only one story. So the story, in what way I shared with you, you can just follow your own words, never repeat word for word, okay, never copy anything. So go to YouTube and search out one story of rabbit and a cruel lion, okay, and after that you can listen to that story and record yourself completely 2 times, okay. It will take only 5 minutes, and then you can share with me the story, the recording, on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 6206371524, okay. So I will give you personally feedback so that you will understand how you can improve your spoken English, and I will highlight your weak zones and your strengths as well, okay. So thank you so much guys. It was day 1, and up to next 7 days we will follow. And I have come up with this series because I thought once I improved myself completely through storytelling, then why shouldn't I help my language learners, okay. So now his name is Chadda. He is my nephew. You can see, come here and just look at him. He got angry completely, okay. So from the next day I will take him to jungle, but I will just provide him a lot of blackberries. So today he had, but not that much, okay. So thank you so much, and I am literally very happy after recording this video. And sometimes I make mistakes while speaking, and I am very much aware of that mistakes, but I want to have the rhythm while speaking. I don't want to cut the video in between, so that the flow, the rhythm will be completely broken. So please compromise with my mistakes and let's keep learning, okay. Thank you, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.